Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tesla Fire Challenge YouTube channel. This is day 33 of 1000. So hey, and welcome to the Tesla Fire Challenge YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope you stick around. If you've been here before, welcome back. It's really good to have you. For all my new viewers, this channel is about investing money and being all in on Tesla no matter what. So join me on my journey to make $1 million in 1000 days. That's right, join me on my journey to make $1 million in 1000 days. So this is the second video I'm going to be posting today. So I posted one just before the market opened, and pre-market Tesla was down about 3.5%. So in today's video, I'm going to be going through the following. So I'm going to be sharing my day 33 portfolio after the markets open. So Tesla is down around 8.5%. I'm also going to be sharing my plan to increase my position in Tesla. So let's get into it. So it's day 33, 24th of January 2022. I've got two portfolios, Portfolio A and Portfolio B. In Portfolio A, I've just got under 119 shares. In Portfolio B, I've just got under 91 shares. So in total, I hold just under 210 shares in Tesla. My ambition is to build my position to 300 shares. So I'm 69% of the way there. I've got another 31% to go. I'm dollar cost averaging into the shares, and I'm buying during the dip. So hopefully I'm going to be getting there soon because, you know, Tesla is on sale at the moment. So what's been happening to Tesla? So Tesla is down big today. So, you know, when I done this screenshot, Tesla was down about 6.71%. It's down about 9% at the moment. So, you know, this is not a accurate reflection of my portfolio at the moment. So at the moment, I think it's more around the 180,000 mark. So, you know, Tesla is in pain today. A lot of investors are feeling the pain. The stock market is in pain today. At the peak, when Tesla was trading around $1,240, my portfolio was at around $245,000. It's now at $180,000. So it's a big swing. But what you have to do as long-term investors is focus on your long-term goals, focus on your long-term price targets, and don't be too concerned about these daily fluctuations, because obviously, you know, the market is rough at the moment. This is the best time for you to buy. So don't be too concerned about the prices. So, and don't be too concerned about your portfolio value, because it will turn around. The stock market always recovers. Tesla will always recover. This is a fantastic business. It's got like a really great future ahead. So, you know, just be patient and persevere. So that's day 33 of 1000. So let's get into the technical analysis side of things now. So this is the Tesla 1 year chart. So the chart, the price movement is in candlesticks. I've got the blue line, which is the MA50, and I've got the red line, which is the MA200. So as you can see, the last candle is gapped down. The price has gapped down severely. You know, this, at the time of doing the screenshot, this was showing a hammer candlestick, but at the moment it's showing a solid red line. So this is a very bearish candlestick pattern. So it's gone down, it's gapped down, and it's very likely now that the price will hit the MA200 level, which is the red line, which is at $811. So I'm about 80% certain that price will go there, and this is going to be a fantastic opportunity for long-term investors to buy. The last time Tesla hit MA200 level was during the peak of the coronavirus pandemic. So again, if you had bought back then, you would have 10x'd by now. So this is another great opportunity for you to buy. So I know a lot of people are feeling the pain. A lot of investors are feeling pain at the moment, but don't be too concerned about your portfolio value now. You should be concerned about what your portfolio is going to look in the future. So, you know, just persevere, be patient, and if you can buy more, if I can buy more, I'm going to buy more now. So that's the Tesla 1 year chart. So now what I've done is I've marked up the Tesla 1 year chart. So I've got my T1, T2, and T3 trend line going upwards. All three of these trend lines have now been broken. One by one, they were broken. So, you know, now we're at a level where we've got the T4 and T5 trend line going downwards. So, you know, the price is following this T4, T5 trend line. So if we zoom in, we can see the different support levels. So the S1 support at 1000, that was comprehensively broken. And because of the severity of the fall in price, the next day, the S2 level was broken too. And now what's happened is it's found some sort of support at 850, but I can confirm at the time of making this video that has also been breached. So I think the next level is going to be S4, which is the MA200 level at $811. So, that's a fantastic place to buy. It's the MA200 level. As I said, the last time the price hit MA200 was during the coronavirus pandemic when it first started. So it's a fantastic place to buy. So that's the 1 year technical analysis on Tesla. So let's have a look at what's happening with the MACD analysis on Tesla. So as you can see, the blue histogram is trending downwards and it's gone into the negative territory, but it's reaching a point where, it's historically turned around. So that's a good sign. Both the black line and the red line are trending downwards. The gap between the black line and the red line is increasing, and as you can see, the red line is also in the negative territory. So all this signals a lot of weakness in the market. So the momentum is firmly with the bears. The bears are in control and they're pummeling the bulls, and it's up to the bulls now to show that they've got what it takes to make the price reverse. So that's the MACD analysis on Tesla. So let's have a look at the RSI analysis now. So as you can see, the price has firmly gone under 50. It's at 35.71. And now, it's at a point where it could reverse, but momentum is downwards. There is a lot of pressure on Tesla stock. So, it could go down further. It could reverse. It's just a matter of watching to see what happens. But know your key support areas. The MA200 level is a great opportunity to buy. If you were able to buy, Tesla every time it reached MA200 and you were able to buy a lot of shares, then you would have your portfolio would be very, very, healthy at the moment. So that's the RSI analysis on Tesla. So let's have a look at the Tesla candlestick analysis. So when I did this screenshot, the last price for the candlestick was showing sort of like a hammer pattern. But as you can see, as you know now, the price has gone down to the 830 level. So it's showing a solid red candlestick, which is a very, very bearish candlestick. So that indicates that price will go down even further. And, I'm kind of certain that price will reach the MA200 level at $811. It might even reach it today. If not, then it's going to reach it, tomorrow. And then hopefully it's going to bounce back once Tesla, reports, and they report really good numbers. So that's the Tesla candlestick analysis. So what are the key points to remember? So Tesla has broken. So the first key point is Tesla has broken the 900 support level and it's gapped down. The bears are in control now and it could go down all the way to the MA200 level at $811. The second point that I wrote is not very relevant at the moment is the last candlestick looks like it was forming a hammer pattern, which means a reversal, but it's too early to tell at the moment. And as of now, this hammer has turned into a solid red candlestick, which means, more movement downwards. So it really depends on where Tesla price closes. If the bulls can push the price back up and it forms a hammer, then it is a possible reversal pattern. But if the bears are firmly in control, they could push the price down to the MA200 level today. But whatever happens, if I had money now, I would be buying Tesla shares, because I don't want to be buying Tesla shares at $1,400, $1,500. I want to be buying Tesla shares when it's $800, because it's an absolute bargain now. And it would be a great opportunity for me to lower my cost basis. So the next key point to remember is, know your key support areas, know where to buy. So, be very mechanical about it. There's a lot of pain in the market, there's a lot of emotions in the market. New investors who bought at the top hoping it was going to go to 5,000 are now feeling a lot of pain. Their portfolio is down about 35%. So my message to new investors is just be patient, persevere, because this is a fantastic buying opportunity. Even though your portfolio is looking very bad at the moment, think long term, because Tesla is not going to stay at these levels for a long time. The last thing you should do is panic and sell. You should be trying to, think about accumulating even more. If you're having doubts about this company, revisit your thesis and remind yourself, rediscover what a wonderful company this is. Look at your price targets again, look at your 10-year charts again, and raise your conviction levels to see, what the price target is going to be in the future, and focus on the future. Don't focus, on what your portfolio looks like at the moment. Don't, be concerned about the price movements now. Don't make a, paper loss a real loss by selling. This is the worst thing that you can do. Don't panic and sell. Just think of the long term. And if you still believe in Tesla, keep it. And if you don't, just, do what you think is right. So those are the key points to remember. So what are my buying levels? So my buying level started at 1,000. That's been significantly broken. Then it was 950. That's been broken as well. Then 900 broken. 850, that's broken. And it's very likely it's going to go to 811. If that is broken, then the next level is 725. And it will eventually reverse. And when it does reverse, it's going to start to rise very quickly, because this is a very volatile stock. And once all the investors who don't believe in this stock are out, then that's going to be an opportunity for long-term investors, the believers of Tesla, to come in and drive the price back up again. So those are my buying levels. So what is my plan now? So the first thing is, I'm going to continue to dollar cost average into Tesla shares no matter what. I'm going to buy at regular intervals no matter what. Next point is, I'm going to keep buying at the support levels. I'm having trouble raising some money and moving some money around. I'm hoping that it's going to arrive tonight. So if it does, I'm going to try and deploy that money and invest it in Tesla shares tomorrow, because I want to reduce my cost basis and I want to accumulate more shares. I want to get to that 210 level and exceed it and buy as much as possible, and then hopefully get to the 300 level as soon as possible. So finally, I just want to reiterate, I'm not going to sell my position. So I'm receiving a lot of messages saying, have you sold your position? And I'm just like saying, no, I haven't sold my position. I'm not going to sell my position. I plan to keep it for 1,000 days. I plan to build my position in Tesla to 300 shares. And if my calculations are correct, I should be able to make $1 million in 1,000 days. So I'm not selling. I'm a long-term investor, and I'm going to keep investing, and I'm going to keep buying more Tesla shares. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. For anyone interested, I'm in the UK and I invest long-term. I invest in a tax-efficient way. I invest through an ISA account. And I use an app called Free Trade. You should definitely check it out. It has a very simple interface and a cheap monthly cost of £3 per month. You can buy and sell shares commission free, and there's immediate deposits. There's a huge variety of stocks and shares to choose from, both in the UK and the US. And what I've done is I've left my referral link below. And if you sign up using my referral link, you will get a free share worth up to £200. I will also get a free share too. So it's a win-win situation. So yeah, join me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Join me on my journey. See if I can build my position to 300 shares in Tesla. See if I can keep it for 1,000 days. See if I can put my money where my mouth is and keep this position for 1,000 days. See if my calculations are correct and if I can reach $1 million in 1,000 days. So yeah, join me. And I appreciate any likes, and I'll read all your comments. I appreciate your subscription. I hope to bring you value. I wish you all the best on your investment journey, and until the next update, I wish you all the best, and thank you for watching.